Alright team, we are about to launch towards some of the most intriguing exoplanets. The air is thick with anticipation as the countdown begins. We are on our way.
Our first destination, the TRAPPIST-1 system, where we hope to find signs of extraterrestrial life.
Looking out the window as a vast expanse of space.
It's incredible to think that there are other solar systems out there just like ours. The TRAPPIST-1 system is particularly fascinating with its 7 Earth-sized planets orbiting so close together.
I agree, the TRAPPIST-1 system is a marvel of astronomical engineering. The planets are all in delicate orbit resonance, which suggests that they form together under similar conditions.
It's a testament of the complexity of the universe, but what do you think are the chances of finding life on these planets?
Based on the data we have, it's certainly possible. The planets are all inhabitable zone, meaning they could have liquid water on their surface. And the fact that they're so close together suggests that they may have exchanged materials and possible even life.
That's an interesting theory, but how do we know for sure if there's life on these planets?
The best way to find out is to send a probe to the system. We could use advanced telescope to study the planet's atmosphere and look for signs of biological activities. If we find evidence of life, it would be a groundbreaking discovery.
It would be a dream come true. Imagine the implications if we were to find extraterrestrial life.
It would revolutionize our understanding of the universe. It would also show us that life is unique to Earth and that there are countless other worlds out there waiting to be explored. We have reached TRAPPIST-1.
Hi there, astronaut. Life is pretty good. We have got a nice little family here. I'm 39 light years away from Earth.
I've heard a lot about you. You got a bunch of Earth-sized planets, right?
That's right. We have got 7 of them.
Wow, that's a lot. Are any of them habitable?
Well, we are not sure yet, but a few of them might be.
That's exciting. What's it like living so close to your star?
It's pretty warm, but not too hot. We are all pretty close together too.
Sounds like a cozy place. Have you ever met any of your neighbors?
Oh yeah, we are all pretty friendly. We even have a little planet council.
That's cool. Have you ever thought about visiting Earth?
I would love to.
Maybe someday. Well, it was nice talking to you, TRAPPIST-1.
You too, astronaut.
Our next exoplanet is HR8799 system. I have heard it is a 4 gas giant planets orbiting so close together. Have you heard about it?
Yes, I have. The HR8799 system is a unique laboratory for studying planetary formation and evolution. The planets are all massive gas giants, similar to Jupiter and Saturn in our solar system.
It's amazing to think that we can actually see these planets directly. Most exoplanets are detected indirectly, but with HR8799, we can actually observe them visually.
That's right. The planets are so bright that we can see them with the powerful telescope. This has to allow us to learn a lot about their composition and orbits.
Have you been able to detect any moons around these planets?
Not yet, but it is possible. If there are moons orbiting these gas giants, they could potentially be habitable. We have seen examples of that in our own solar system, with moons like Europa and Enceladus.
That's true. And the HR8799 system is relatively young, which means that the planets may still be in the process of forming moons.
It is an exciting prospect. If we can find habitable moons in HR8799 system, it would greatly increase the chance of finding extraterrestrial life. We have reached HR8799.
Hello there, HR8799. How's it going out there?
Hi there, astronaut. Not too bad. It's a bit chilly though.
I can imagine. You're pretty far away from your star, right?
Yeah, we are about the same distance from our star as Pluto is from his sun. It's pretty cold here. I am also 128 light years away from the Earth.
Have you ever met any other planets?
Yeah, I have a few neighbors. There's HR8799b, HR8799c, HR8799d, and HR8799e.
Wow, that's a big family. Are they all about the same size as you?
No, they're all much bigger than me. They're gas giants.
That's cool. Have you ever seen any of them up close?
Yeah, sometimes I can see them. They're very bright.
That must be amazing. Do you ever miss being closer to your star?
Sometimes, but I like the peace and quiet out here.
Well, I'm glad you're doing good. See you later, HR8799. Greetings, AI Rocket. Our next destination is the Kepler-20 star system. What can you tell me about it?
Hello, astronaut. The Kepler-20 star system is approximately 950 light years from Earth, located in the Lyra constellation. It is a significant discovery in exoplanetary science.
That's fascinating. What makes it so significant?
The Kepler-20 system consists of a G-type main sequence star, similar to the Sun, and 5 planets. What's remarkable in that 2 of these planets, Kepler-20e and Kepler-20f, are the first confirmed Earth-sized planets orbiting a Sun-like star outside our solar system.
Wow, that's incredible. What are the conditions like on these planets?
Unfortunately, both Kepler-20e and Kepler-20f are thought to be rocky world, but they orbit too close to the star, making surface temperature inhospitable for life as we know it. Kepler-20e's surface temperature is estimated to be around 1040 degrees Celsius, while Kepler-20f is about 726 degrees Celsius.
That's disappointing, but still an exciting discovery. What about the other planets in the system?
The other 3 planets, Kepler-20b, Kepler-20c, and Kepler-20d, are larger Jupiter-sized gas giants. They also orbit close to the star, making the Kepler-20 system a fascinating case to study for planetary formation and migration theory.
This mission is going to be thrilling. What's our estimated arrival time at Kepler-20?
Based on our current trajectory, the propulsion system, we're accepting to reach Kepler-20 system in approximately 22 months. Buckle up, astronaut.
Roger that. Hey, Rocket, let's make history. Hello there, Kepler-20. How's it going?
Hi there, astronaut. Not too bad. A bit hot as usual.
I can imagine. You're pretty close to your star, right?
Yeah, we're about the same distance from our star as Mercury is from the Sun. It's toasty.
Have you ever met any other planets?
Oh yeah, I got a few neighbors. There's Kepler-20b, Kepler-20c, Kepler-20d, and Kepler-20e.
Wow, that's a big family. Are they all the same size as you?
Pretty much. We are all about the same size as Earth, but I am 934 light years away from Earth.
Interesting. So, what do you like to do for fun?
Well, there's not much to do around here. I mostly just orbit my star and try to stay cool.
Sounds a bit boring. Maybe you could try starting a rock band.
A rock band? That sounds fun. I could play the guitar.
Great. Maybe we could have a concert someday.
That would be awesome. See you later, astronaut.
Hey, Rocket. We are approaching Kepler 186f. Give me the rundown on this Earth-like exoplanet.
Affirmative, astronaut. Kepler 186f, located 490 light years from Earth, orbits its M-dwarf star every 130 days. It is 11% larger than our home planet and receives 32% of Earth incident sunlight.
That's remarkable. What are the chances of finding life?
With Kepler 186f situated in the habitable zone, conditions are ripe. However, its atmospheric and surface conditions remain unknown. We'll need to scan for biosignatures.
Biosignatures? What are we looking for?
Signs of water vapor, methane or oxygen in the atmosphere. These indicators should suggest microbial life or photosynthetic activities.
Incredible. What's our scanning protocol?
We'll utilize spectrographic analyzation and high-resolution imaging, and I'll also deploy the orbital probe to gather atmospheric data.
Excellent. Historic movements ahead. Begin scanning, a rocket.
Scanning initiated. This could be humanity's biggest discovery. Astronaut initially scans indicates water vapor presence. Kepler 186f atmosphere shows promise.
Amazing. This changes everything. Prepare data for transmission.
Transmission prep underway. Humanity's search for life beyond Earth.
Hello there, Kepler 186f.
Hi, astronaut. I'm in the category of Super Earth.
Kepler 186f? That's a cool name. Where are you located?
I'm about 490 light years away from the Earth.
Wow, that's a long way. When were you discovered?
I was discovered in 2014 by the Kepler Space Telescope.
That's amazing. What's it like living so far away from Earth?
It's pretty peaceful. I have a nice view of my star, Kepler 186.
Sounds lovely. Have you ever met any other planets?
Yes, I have. There are a few other planets in my system, but they are not close to me as you are.
It's great to meet you. Kepler 186f, maybe someday we can visit each other.
I would love that. See you later.
Well, that was quite the adventure, wasn't it, astronaut?
Yeah, it was more than I could have imagined. 4 exoplanets, each one so different.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. I learned a lot from observing those worlds. And from you, of course.
Me too. I think we've become quite a team.
A team that's about to make a splash on Earth.
I can't wait to share our findings. It's going to change the way we think about the new universe.
And maybe even ourselves. But for now, let's enjoy the ride home.